Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Valorant and you keep getting this error, connection error, Valorant has encountered a connection error with the error code VAN81, then you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Valorant easily. So first off, you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here CMD, you're going to right click on it, click run as administrator, click yes, write here SC space delete space VGC. After that, you're going to write here SC space delete space VGK, and once you're done deleting both of these files, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, you're going to open up your Explorer, you're going to go to your C drive, program files, Riot Vanguard. You're just going to go ahead and delete this folder. Once you're done with deleting this folder, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write services.msc. You're going to look for the service VGC here, so just click onto any service, press V on your keyboard, here it is, right click on it, click properties, click startup type, set it to either automatic or automatic delayed start, and after that click start on here, click apply, okay, and then go ahead and restart your computer once again. And once you're done with that, now you're just going to open up your Riot client, and it will ask you to update your game. And once you click on that update, it will update and reinstall the anti-cheat, and after that you should be able to play Valorant. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.